Hello guys, you all are welcome to this channel. My name is Charles Chinoso, and in this presentation I'll be showing you guys how to build a landing page with your smartphone. How to build a landing page with your smartphone. Building a landing page with your smartphone can be quite challenging, but then I had to do this for you guys so that you can learn how you can go about it and also build one for yourself. Do you understand? So if you are new to this channel, just hit on the subscribe button to subscribe and also turn on your notifications so that you can always get value videos like this in subsequent times. So let's go straight into it. I'll be teaching how to build a landing page using a platform called system.io. So I'll be dropping a link in the description where you can click on to create your account in case you don't have an account on the platform. Do you understand? So once you're done creating your account, the next thing you have to do is just go to your account and log in. Go to your account and log in. You put your password and username, then you sign in. Once you sign in, this is the first thing that will appear on your page. So now let me show you guys how you can create a landing page. So what you do now is you click on this button here. So once you click on that, you'll be able to come here. So you click on funnels. So once you click on funnels, the next thing you do is you click on the plus sign. So once you click on the plus sign, you'll be asked to choose a name. So you just name it any name you wish to name. So I will name my AFM class, which is affiliate marketing class. So funnel domain. So any name you choose over here is what your website or your landing page will appear as. I mean your URL. So choose any name you prefer to choose. So choose your funnel goal. Over here you choose build an audience. So when you choose build an audience, so you scroll down a bit to where we have the currency. So over here choose any currency that you want yours to be. So I'll be choosing Naira. If you're in Ghana, you can choose cedis. If you're in USC, you can choose dollars, like that, like that. So then click on save. So when you click on save, we have this already. So this will appear. You can see they said funnel has been successfully created. So the next thing you do is click on the name where you have that blue name, AFM class, written in blue. Click on it. That is what you'll be clicking. So once you click on that, this will come up. So the thing you do next is you click on squeeze page. You can see squeeze page here. So click on squeeze page. Squeeze page is the same as landing page. So click on squeeze page. So over here, you'll be able to choose any templates you want to use for your own landing page. So there are so many templates here. So just scroll down to see anyone that is suitable for you. So I'll be pausing this video now so that I'll go and look out for my favorite templates. Alright, I'm back guys. So we'll be using this template for the purpose of this video. So what you do is you click on preview template if you want to see what your templates look like, or just click on select. So I'll be clicking on select. So then this will come up. So you have to click on edit page. Edit page, okay? So when you click on edit page, you'll be able to edit the template you just chose. So when you get here, I would advise that you learn to like switch between desktop mode and mobile mode. Like go to the top, the three dots at the top right to see where we have desktop mode. You can see desktop site. So learn to switch between those two in case there's anything you wish to do that gets difficult for you. So what we'll be doing now is we'll be deleting everything on this page. And if you like what you have on this page, you can also edit them to suit what you're creating. Can you see how long it is? So I don't intend to create something this long. So I'll be deleting everything and I'll be creating a page from the scratch. So let me pause this video to delete everything. Okay, before I even pause the video, let me show you guys how to delete. So if you want to delete anything on your page, so just click on what you intend to delete. So once you click on it, so I just clicked on this, can you see? So you can see the delete button up here. Let me highlight that for you also. You can see the delete button here. So that is where you delete. So anything you click on and you wish to delete, just click on it, then the delete button will appear there. So you click on delete. So let's click on delete. Can you see that has gone? So that is how you go about deleting everything. Do you understand me now? So I'll be pausing this video now to delete everything on the page. So once I'm with a blank page, I'll come back to you guys. So I'm back guys. I'm done deleting everything on the page. So now we'll be adding everything from the scratch. We'll be editing this page from the scratch. Okay, So what you do now is anything you wish to add, you can see over here we have elements. So you can add any elements here. If you want to add text to your page, you add text. Headline, you add headline. If it's bullets, you add bullets. If it's image, video, can you understand? Do you understand what I'm saying? So there are so many things you can add to your page here. So we'll be going ahead to do everything one by one. So before I go here, I already created a template for myself, which I'll be using to create my landing page, like more like a copy. Do you understand? So I'll be using my copy to create a landing page for us. So I'm inside my copy now. So this is what I'll be using to create our landing page. Can you see? I already created everything before getting here. So the first thing we want to add now is headline. Before you go about adding your headline, I'll advise you to take your phone to desktop site. So click the three dots at the top. So just let me show you guys. Click these three dots. So once you click that, you scroll down to where you have desktop site. So the screen will appear like this. So the next thing you do is you click on headline text because you want to add headline. So click on headline text. So I just click that, but it's not adding. So the next thing you do is click on section. Click on section. If you should click on section, headline will pop up. So I just click on section. Can you see? So now you try to click on headline again. You will see that it will show now. So you can see. So now we can edit our headline to what we want. So tap on the headline, then erase all what you have there to paste what you just copied from the other side. So let me erase everything and paste. Okay, I copied the wrong thing. So let me go back and copy it again. So this is what I want to paste. This one. So you click on this selector, then you paste. Can you see? So the next thing we want to add again is headline 2, H2. Let's make this H1. You can click on H1 here, or you can make this H4 if you want it to be smaller. H4 makes it smaller. Can you see? If you click on H1, it will make it bigger. Let me click on H1 so you see. Can you see it's bigger now? So let's make it H4. While the next one will make the next one H1. So add for you to go back to where your elements are. So click on this arrow. Can you see? Can you see the arrow there? So when you click on that, you'll be able to go back to where those other elements are. So now let's click on headline again. So once you click that, this will show up. So go back to copy the text you want to add to your page. So let's click on this to copy. I just clicked on that. Can you see? So paste it here. Let's paste it here. Yeah, we are getting what we want gradually. So we can change the background of this text. Okay, this one is in H1. Let's see if it's in H1. Yeah, this is H1. It looks too big at H1. So let's make it H3. So that way it's bigger than the previous one. So you can change the background text so that it looks finer. So let's see how we can change the text background. So click on the text itself. Then scroll to the left. Can you see? So when you check here, you will see where the text background is. So this is it here. So you click on that. So let's make our background red. Can you see that the color has changed on our screen also? So that is red, right? So click on the screen, tap on the screen, everything will leave. So you see, so we have red. So if you want to make the text a different color, let's make the text itself, let's make it white. So tap on it again. When you tap on it, zoom out your screen so that you can see where this white and black is, this check. So tap on it. So once you tap on it, this will pop up. So over here, choose the color you want your text to be. So let's make our text white. So I'll make mine white. You can choose any color you prefer. So let's see what we have here. Okay, the color did not change. So what you do now is, let's make it this way. Highlight everything. Highlight everything. These are things that could have worked if it was laptop, but because it's phone. So when you highlight everything, how do we do this? So highlight everything. Okay, we'll do this one by one. So highlight from the second line to the end. From the second line. So you click on this thing is covering that check. We need to improvise, right? So let's take it back a bit. So you click on the check now. So if you don't highlight it, I don't think you'll be able to achieve what you want to do. So can you see, guys? So let's go and do this for the first one. So I highlight the first one too. I hope this work. Oh. Let's see. It's covering it again, but let's see if I can get it. So you click on the check. Yeah, I got it exactly. So you click on white. So this is beautiful, right? So what's the next thing we are adding to it? So you go to the our copy. Let's go to our copy and see what next we are adding to it. So this is the next thing we are adding. So you click on this, copy this, then I take it here. So we are, these first two we added are headline. So this time around we are adding test. So you click on test. So once you click on test, this will show up. So you edit it to what you want. So let's edit it to what we want. So select all and paste all. Let's select all and paste. Select all, then you paste. Can you see? So let's make it bigger. I think this is a bit small. So let's make it bigger. So you can see by the left side, you can see where we have font size. So you can make it 30. So the thing about this is that you cannot erase everything once and add what you want. So we'll be adding 3 first. So once you add 3, you go to the second one and erase the 2. So now you add 0. Can you see? You have to improvise if you are using your phone, okay? So you can see this is now bigger than the first one. You can see what we are having now. So what's the next thing we need to add to our page? Let's go and check. So insert flyer. So let's see a flyer we can insert to this page. So you click on image, you tap on image. Image, then you'll be asked to select a file here. So let me go to my gallery. Let's use this image. Let's use this image. So click on insert. Click on insert, okay? So once you click on insert, this will show. So you can increase the image size, you can reduce the image size. You can see by the left side where we have image size, you can increase it. In case you want to add a link to your image, you see where we have URL. Do you get? So you can just tap on it. You can see what I'm showing here. This, just tap on this. You see what they wrote here? Action when image clicked. But we don't want to add a link to it. We don't want our image to redirect people to somewhere else. Do you understand? So so we are done with that part. So let's go ahead and add the next thing. So the next thing here is, what is the next thing? From this training you will learn. So let's add this. We'll be adding them one by one because that is the way to go about it if you are using a phone. So let's go and add this. If you want to go back, so just click on the back button up here, or you can tap on the screen, either of the two, then you go back to where those elements are. So this is the back button up here. So just click on it, then you'll be able to go back to where every other element is. So the next thing we are adding is test, right? So let's click on this test. Then this time around, you'll be adding test. So edit your test to what you want. So let's edit this and paste. So we can make this bigger also. Or do you think it's perfect? Let's make it same size as the first one. So let's make it 30. Remember how we did it? You add 3 first, then you delete the 2 to come and add 0 at the end. Can you see? So you come back. So the next thing we have on our page is, I already told you guys how to change colors, right? If you want to add background color, I already told you how to do that. If you want to if you want to change your text color, so we'll not be wasting time on that. We are just going straight into every other thing. So let's add this. You can see these ones are written in bullets. So let's make this also bullets. So you'll be copying them one by one. Then if you come over here, you'll see where the bullet is. You can see bullet list here. So click on bullet list. Then over here, you'll be able to like edit this. So let's edit them to suit what we want. So I just removed everything, then paste, remove everything. So then you paste. Can you see? So go and copy the second one also. You do it one by one. copy this one, then you paste also. Yeah, so this is it. So I want to erase the middle one. So just back here. Can you see we are gradually getting what we want? So let's delete this section, this thing showing in the middle. Can you see the section, the thing showing in the middle? Oh, was it our stuff that reduced this way? So let's go and change that to a bigger size. But then see what I wanted to delete, this line in between. Yeah, this is what I wanted to delete. So you can also delete here. So you click on this to delete. So let's take this back to what it used to be. I didn't even notice that. So let's go back here. Yeah, so the font size should be 30, not 3. I didn't know when that's reduced to 3. Maybe I mistakenly clicked it. So can you see? Yeah. So the next thing we are adding now is this business will work for you if. So we'll be adding this. So let's see. Copy, and you add text. Okay. So add text. Let's see. You select all, then you paste. So for this one too, let's increase the size to 33, then this 0. If so, the next one is bullet, right? So let's go and add bullets to it. Bullet list. So you copy. Okay, we have to copy them one by one, like I said. So since we're having 4 of these here, honestly, I would advise you we make it 3. Do you understand? Because in my experience, 4 bullets is always difficult to have on the page. But you can also play around and see if you can add you make yours 4. Do you understand? So we're using just 3 bullets because it's always easier that way when you use just 3 bullets. So just click on each of the bullets. That is one of the disadvantage of using phones. So you just have to like work with what you have for now to when you can use a laptop. So we'll be copying them one by one, and we'll not copy the whole 4. We'll just copy 3 of them. Do you understand, guys? So just copy the second one. Yeah, so let's leave it as 3. Okay, if you want to make it 4, it can be a bit challenging, but you can try and see if it works at your end, because I've tried it earlier on, it didn't work. So you just click on enter to see if another bullet will appear. And if you want to change the bullet from check to maybe dots, you can see where we have check here. You can see icon selector. So just click on whatever you wish to have yours as. So let's choose this. Let's choose this and see. So let's see if you want to change the color of your background also. I mean the icon color. You know, currently it's on blue. So let's say you want to make it red. So you can see where you have blue here. You can change it to red. Let's make it red. And the text color, if you want to change the text color to, let's say, to black. This one is not dark black. This is like gray. So let's make it sharp black. Can you see it's looking blacker now? So go and check. Let's change this font size to 30. So you add 3 first, then you add 0 at the end. So you see, so you zoom in. After you are done, you zoom in. Can you see it's looking different now? So this is what you do. So what's the next thing we have on our page? Let's go and check for the next thing on the page. So the next thing is, so if you love to earn as IAS, so this one, because we want to make this bold, we'll be using headline for this. So let's go and add it as headline instead of text. So let's make it headline so that it will be bold and catchy to people. So you click on headline. So you edit the headline to what you want. So let's select all, then you paste what you want. Let's make the headline red also. So this is what we need to click, this check background. So let's click on that now. I think we can click it now. Yeah, I just clicked it. So let's make it red, right? This is red here. This red is not clicking. Okay. Yeah, exactly. So we can change it to H3 to make it a bit smaller. Yeah. So you can see, guys. So we are gradually getting what we want. So over here, uh, click the button to join the class. So this is a mistake. Let me edit it here. Click the button below. To join class now. To join the class now. So you copy everything. This time around we'll be using test, not headline. So go back to where you have your elements, then you click on test, then you edit your test. So selector, then you paste. Let's make the size 30 again. So 30. So let's go back. So the next thing over here is, let's add a button. Okay, let's add this test also. So let's add this test to it. We don't need to add a template, so let's just add it to what we have on ground. So just come over here, enter, click on enter. When you get here, click on enter. Oh, this is not entering, like it's not going. Let me just click on paste and see what we can do. So I just pasted it also. So let me now click on enter. Yeah, I think it just worked now. So yeah, so this is it. So let's change this one to red so that it will be catchy, so that people will know that there's a deadline. You know, if it's not catchy, nobody will see our deadline. So let's make it red. And we can also click on U if you want to underline it so that people will notice it. So I just clicked on U. Can you see? So what's the next thing? The next thing is to add a button. Insert button. Can you see? Let's insert a button. So let's go over here. So you go back to where you have all this. So click on this. Let's look for where we have button. Where is our button? You can see button here. This is button. So you click on button. So we just added the button. So let's edit the button. So if you want to like just check your left side, let me explain each of these things to you. So this first one here, you can see action when button clicked. If you leave it as this, it means when they click your button, a form will appear to them. But then we don't want to send them to a form. So we want them to open a link. Do you understand? Like our WhatsApp link that we created. So you click on open URL. Do you understand? So leave it as that. So over here, you paste the link you want to use. So let's go and copy our link. So this is our link here. So let's use this. This is the link we want to use. So you paste the link over here. Do you understand? So the next thing, if you want to increase your margin, you just click on increasing margin here to just play around it and see. I'm just showing you guys the important ones. Now regarding the test, you can see we have click here. Let me show you what I'm saying. You can see here, it's written click here. So you can change that to what you want. So let's use join class now. So if you want to increase your font size, you can see the next one. So let's make it the usual 30. So over here, you can change the font size also. You can change the line height. Subtext fonts. This one, you can erase it. This subtext fonts, you can erase it if you don't want anything to appear down there. Why is it not going down? Okay, if you're having this kind of challenge whereby you can't see what is showing down, what you do is just click on, just go back. Do you understand? Tap on your screen. When you tap on your screen, all this will show, right? So click on section. When you click on section, can you see? Can you see everything is showing now? So now this is what I'm trying to show you guys. This subtext, okay, let's tap on it again. Tap on the button itself again. So you can erase it if you don't want anything to be written there. And you can also edit it to whatever you want to be written there. So we don't want anything written there. So we'll be erasing everything. So can you see? We just erased everything. And the button, you can change the color from blue to black. I mean the background color to black or to red. Let's make it red. Yeah, so we have red. So the next thing, we can change the text also. The text color. Probably you want the text color to be black or any color, you can see. But currently it's written as white. So this padding, it means if you want space, you know the way this background is, if you want to add space to the background, let me just increase it so that you see what I'm saying. Let me increase it to 30, though 15 is perfect, but let's use 30 and so that you see what I'm trying to tell you guys. That's the meaning of padding. Padding is like you want to add space. Can you see that there's more space now? So if you want to add space to the bottom or to the top, you can see that the space at the top is more than the one at the bottom. So let's maintain our 15. Let's maintain 15. So that is the meaning of padding. If you want to make a rounded corner, let's make this rounded corner to 10. Let's, so that you see what I'm saying. Or we can make it 30. Let's make it 30. I just hope 30 is not that much. Let's see what 30 looks like before we change the rest. Or let's make it 20. Let's make it 20. 20 is okay, yeah? So 20. 20 also. Then the last one, 20. Are you guys following me? So this is how you add rounded corner to your button. Can you see now there's a corner, like it's not the square shape again. There's a rounded corner on the button. Hope you guys are understanding what I'm doing. So let me click it again so you see what we clicked. Can you see? Rounded corner, top left, top right, bottom left, and bottom right. If you want to add shadow, all these things, just play around it, okay? Play around it and you'll be able to see some magic you can create. So the next thing we are adding now is what? Let's see what's the next thing we are adding. So now I look forward to sharing your testimonies. Insert one or two testimonies. So let's add this test, then we'll be adding an image testimony. So click on this. Okay. So let's go to the page and why is this looking big? Can you see? Padding 300. I mistakenly clicked 300. Can you see 300 there? Can you see where I have 300 there? That is why the padding went up. That was a mistake. So let's reduce it again to the usual 15. So that's the issue with using phone. So you want to be careful so you don't go and do any mistake. Can you see it's back to normal now? So let's click on that back button to go to back. So now click on test to add the next test. I think that test is the last test we have. So edit the test and select all, then you paste. You paste. So let's erase this. We are going to erase this. So let's make the test 30. 30. So you can use any size you want. 30. Can you see? So let's change the color of the text. This bottom on to make it obvious to our audience. So this thing has started again. So what I'll do now is I'll add section like we did earlier on. So let's add section. Don't worry, you can delete those sections later on. Let's add section so that we can see what we have down there exactly. So now it's showing. So now let's edit. Select all, like select this bottom on. We want to make it red. This bottom text, we want to make it red. So let's click on that check. So let's choose red. red, then let's underline it to make it attention grabbing. You can see this one that has slash. You know the meaning of strike. That's strike through. If you want to strike a test. So, but we don't want to strike a test right here. So the next thing I want to add is testimony. Testimony. So one thing I'll tell you guys is, as you're creating your page, always ensure that you are clicking on save changes so that you don't go and do mistake and everything on your page erases. Do you understand? Because anything could happen. Maybe your phone could go off, or you can just mistakenly click something else and I don't know, your phone, something could just happen. Do you understand what I'm saying now? So always click on save changes so that if at all such happen, you can already start from where you stopped so that you don't have to lose all what you've done. You can see the stress we are going through. So you don't want to like go through that stress 2 times. Do you understand? So I just clicked on save changes now. So now let's go and add a testimony to the page. So over here, you click on image. So then you click on select file. So let's add this. Let's add this to it. Let's see. So I just added an image. So let's add another image. Let's make it 2 different images. Okay, let's insert this first. Let's insert this first, then let's add a second one. So click on back, add image again. Select file. Let's add this to it. Yeah. So now we just added 2 different images. So click on insert. Can you see the first image is my own testimony? Can you see my name is on it? So the second one is my student testimony. So you can see it's not showing to the bottom, but we cannot see everything. So if you want to see everything, click on section. Sorry, click on section. Yeah, it's showing now. So did you notice what happened there? If you want to undo, I mistakenly click on undo. So this is undo here. If you wish to undo something, so can you see this? If you want to undo what you just added or you want to redo, you click on any of that. So we just added those 2 images to it. So the page is looking perfect now, right? Let's now make some corrections. Like at the top here, there's a section showing. Let's delete that. Delete. So let's delete the one showing at the bottom also. Another one was showing at the bottom. We can't scroll to the bottom again. So let's click on section to take us to the bottom. Now we are at the bottom. So let's delete section now. Let's delete section. Let's delete it so that we'll be sure that nothing is at the bottom. So I just deleted that section. Let's delete another one. There are 2 of them. So delete section again. That one is not working. Let me click the one at the top, the delete at the top. So I just deleted that also. So now nothing is showing at the bottom. So we still have one section here. Let's delete this one too. Let's delete this section. I see what I'm deleting. So I'm trying to make everything smooth and perfect. Why is it not showing? Oh, this thing. So just click on save changes. Click on save changes. At least once you click on save changes, it means your site is already online. Do you understand? So as you edit, anything you add to it will also be added online as long as you click on save changes. So let me just go ahead and show you guys some other features. So in case you want to add horizontal line, you want to add a timer. You know, if you want to add a timer whereby there's a countdown, this is countdown. If you want to add a pixel code, you just click on raw HTML. Do you understand? If you want to put a form on your page, can you see? So just go ahead and explore every of them. Do you understand what I'm saying now? So now we are done with our landing page. It's time to publish. You see, everything is looking very perfect. So before you publish your landing page, you can see, click on this mobile view to ensure that everything is looking perfect. You can see currently it's on desktop view. Click on mobile view. So let's click on that. So once you click on that, then this will show. So what you do next is scroll to see that everything is perfect when it's on mobile view. So let's see if everything is perfect. Oh, see this. So since this is showing now, what you do now is you have to delete everything. So let's work on deleting everything so that nothing is showing here. So let's click on each of them and delete. So let me delete each of them. Do you understand, guys? You understand what I'm doing? So it deletes each of them. So let me pause this video and delete them. Then I'll be back. Okay. So I'm done deleting everything. Can you see? Now it's looking perfect on mobile mode. Can you see that now? So now we are good to go. So what you do now is you click on publish. Click on publish. Let's take it back to desktop mode and click on publish. So for you to click on publish, just click on save to save changes. Once you click on save changes, then you click on that arrow by the side. This arrow. Then you click on, then it gets to publish. Can you see? So over here, you scroll down to the bottom to copy your link. You can see your link here, URL path. So there's a ring at the edge there. So let me show you guys the ring. Just over this place at the bottom there. So just copy that link where you have something like a ring there. So I just copied it. So let's go and check what we created. Let's go to our browser and paste it. Since we just copied the link, let's paste it. Wow, guys, this is so beautiful. See what we did with just our smartphone. So let's click on this button to see if it will take us to WhatsApp. So let's click on that to see if it will take us to WhatsApp. Wow, guys, this is crazy. Like creating a landing page with a smartphone, it's something worth doing. Okay, so just give it a try, at least for your promotional activities, for your marketing activities. Pending when you have a laptop, give it a try. It's worth it. You can see how fine it is. So this is how you create a landing page with your smartphone. So I'm sure you got value from this video. Please kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification for subsequent videos. Alright, see you. Bye.